Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and it is time to make crafting fun.
DIY number 1, and we're gonna take this cube and some of these clamps, and I'm gonna take my drill and I'm gonna drill halfway of that cube just like this, because we are gonna insert a dowel on it. So let me just finish this hole and then I'm gonna repeat that with another cube. But first, I'm going to take my dowel and I'm going to cut it in half. Then I'm going to fit it on my cubes, as you can see, and glue it down like that. Then we're going to take those 2 cubes and this hello sign from Beebeecraft, and I'm going to glue those 2 dowels here on the back of the sign. And I'm going to take 1 stir stick and I measured it, and now I'm going to cut the excess just like this. And I was talking to you about Beebeecraft, and in the description box down below, you're going to find the link to these products and also a coupon code for them. So you can check out Beebeecraft and also check out everything they have there, not only these products. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue those dowels like this in the back just like that. And I'm going to glue the other one over here, because we are making a standing hello sign. Let me just glue them, then I'm gonna flip them over, add a little bit of hot glue, and glue that to my stir stick, just like this. Then we're gonna take our matte flat, or however you call it, flat black spray paint, and paint it, and this is how it looks. Now we're gonna take some floral that I had from a swag that I made, and I'm gonna add those florals to the bottom. You can use any florals you want, but just make sure to add a little something extra, because you know me, I love the extra. But this adds a little thingy, a little bit something else. And I'm gonna add my florals like this, just like that, and that's it. We have a beautiful hello sign that looks beautiful and high-end. Now let me show you. Here you can see it, and this one, it's beautiful. Just let me know in the comments below what you think about this one, because you know me, I'm always biased. And this is part of This Is My Thing, and this is a collab with all of these beautiful ladies. And in the description box down below, you're gonna find the link to the playlist and also to Maria's channel, or Yetra Khreacioness channel, so you can go and check her out and also check out what everyone else made. Those ladies are really talented. Now for DIY number 2, we're gonna take this half beads from Beebeecraft, this candle holder from Dollar Tree, and this wood round, and it is a 4-inch wood round. You can find it anywhere, but I'm just reusing one. Now I'm removing the label, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue those 2 pieces together. But first, I'm gonna add my half beads just like this, adding a strip of hot glue and adding my half beads. I'm gonna continue doing that all around my wood round just like this. We're gonna continue doing that until we have covered all of that border with our half beads. And as you can see, you don't need much glue. You just need a little bit, a strip of glue. And that's it. Then we're going to take this and we're going to glue it to the candle holder just like that. And then we're going to take flat black, or matte black, and we're going to paint it completely. And here you can see it now. Here it is, and I'm loving this one. But you let me know what you think about this one. I wanted to give it a dry brush, but I love it in black.
If you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here. So subscribe and click on the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, hit the thumbs up if you like this one, and share this video with a friend, because that really helps to support my channel. Here's my social media. Go and check me out.
DIY number 3, and we're gonna take this horse. Yep, it's missing a leg. 1 dowel and one of these boxes from Dollar Tree. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get those boxes out of the plastic, drill a hole in the middle of the size of my dowel, and a hole on the bottom of my horsey. And after I drill that hole, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to measure my dowel and then I'm going to mix some of this mineral paint with a little bit of baking soda. I'm just looking for that concrete kind of look, just like that. So we're just going to mix it and then we're going to start applying it to our horse. And this one is weird because I'm even painting the hair, but bear with me. This is going to look beautiful. So paint the horse, the hair, everything all around it and give it a good first coat, but you're going to give it 2 because, yeah, it needed it. Now I'm just going to cover its tail like that, like we are dyeing hair. And we're just going to continue painting it just like that really well all around. And after we paint it, we're going to let it dry so we can give it its second coat. But let me finish with this hair dye job. And then we can put it aside so it can dry. Now we're going to take our box and we're going to use the same paint and we're going to paint our box just like that. I wanted to add some half beads, but I decided to paint it first. You can add the beads first and then paint it. But well, yeah, I craft as I go. Now we're going to take our box and I'm going to add those half beads. This is dried. But yeah, you could do that before painting it. Then after I hot glue them like this in this pattern, I'm going to repeat that all around my box except for the top part. So I'm going to go all around doing the same pattern like that. And then when I finish with that, we're going to give it another coat of paint so we can cover those beads and also cover a little bit of that wood that it is showing. Now let's finish with this. And it is looking so beautiful. It looks like a dies. Now I'm going to add 4 in the top. I'm not covering the hole in the middle, but I'm going to add 4 in the top like that. And then we're going to proceed to painting it. Let me just put my dowel. Yeah, I just want to go to painting. But I'm just putting my dowel and then I'm going to cut it to size. Glue it, but this is a temporary glued down. And then after I finish with that, I'm gonna put my horse just to make sure it goes in and it is well and it is not moving. And as you can see, it's another temporary fix. But then I'm gonna let this dry so I can paint again my horse and I can paint again my box. And as you can see, I removed everything and now I'm painting my box and all those half beads so it looks like a beautiful dies. And now it is done and I'm going to add permanently my horse and I'm adding a little bit of hot glue, inserting it, and that's it. Now I'm going to show you how it turned out. And here you can see it and I'm loving it. Look at that. It's so beautiful and high-end. I just love it. But let me know in the comments below what you think about this one because, yep, I'm biased. If you want to buy me some crafting supplies, you will find this link in the description box down below. You don't have to do that. You can support your favorite creator by watching, sharing, and liking their videos. But if you want to buy me crafting supplies, this link, you will find it in the description box down below and you will get a shout out in my channel. For our last DIY or DIY number 4, we're going to take these baskets from Beebeecraft and I'm going to paint them and make them look boho cute with black and mineral chalk paint and acrylic paint, black one. The black one is acrylic. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a line just like this all around my bigger basket. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my mineral paint. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a circle in the middle of my basket just like that. And I'm going to paint it completely. And I need a circle, so that's why I'm working on it. And then after I finish with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my black paint again. And I'm going to start, well, I did another line of gray around. And then I'm going to start with my black paint making lines just like this. In between or crisscrossed like that. And as you can see, I'm not making them perfect because those look more boho if they are not so perfect. So I'm going to continue doing that, and I'm going to add lines in the middle of those lines like this. And now I'm going to move on to the other one, and I'm doing the same thing, just the black line like that. And then after I do that black line, I'm going to do a gray one like that. Then I'm going to do a gray circle in the middle like that. Super cute. And that will be it for this one. And I'm just loving it. But let me know what you think about this one because, yeah, it's too cute. And now, as you can see, I'm adding another line of black paint. And yeah, that will be it for this one. And here you can see them, and I'm just loving them. They are so cute. Love them. So boho cute. Let me know what you think about these ones. And here you can see all of them together, and I'm just loving this set. Remember that this is part of the This Is My Thing. And in the description box down below, you're going to find the link to the playlist and also to Maria's channel, so you can go and check out the playlist and also her channel, because I know you're going to love everything everyone created for this challenge. Well, collab. And remember that you will find in my description box as well a coupon code for Beebeecraft, so you can go and check out these products and everything that they have there. And if you like modern farmhouse, boho decor, and lots of silly jokes, that's what I do here. So subscribe and hit the thumbs up and share this video with a friend, because that really helps to support my channel. And if you like this one, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care, my beautiful friends. Bye-bye.